Right then, before we start the video, I just want to say thank you so much to Paul at Rstuning. Honestly, he's an absolute legend. I'm not saying this because he's helped me out in any way with a price or anything like that. That's just me giving my honest opinion of Rstuning. Let's just say we had an issue, and he literally tried to go the extra mile to try and sort it without, because obviously I wanted to get it mapped, I wanted it to be pucker. So we had an issue. I'm not taking any credit away from Paul, man. He's literally a guru. So yeah, we had an issue. It didn't go to plan. So yeah, just watch the video and you'll know. So yeah, let's go.
Morning everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, and I'm guessing if you've clicked on this you're as excited as me. We are getting the Megane mapped. It's literally 8:57. We are going to pick my brother up. It says my right tyre is flat, so I need to pump up my tyre. Hopefully that's not a puncture or going to be an issue. So yeah, we're going to pick up my brother. I'm going to grab a couple of monsters because it's like a 2-hour drive there, so I need to be refreshed with the old cans. So yeah, just having breakfast, go pick my brother up, and then let's go to Leeds to Rstuning to get the Megane mapped. I am going to be doing like a little giveaway. We're going to see like potentially what power it's making standard, then what power will it make mapped. So we'll go from there and see what we can make. But I'm going to bring you along and I'm going to show you my initial reaction of like what it's going to be like and all that kind of stuff. Hopefully we can get in there with Rstuning and speak to them and ask some questions and stuff. So yeah, let's bring you along and hope you enjoy. And this is my second ever mapping. I'm at my Corsa VXR, so I kind of know what it's like. My last one was pretty much they mapped it and then they literally drove down the road just to check see if it was okay, and then that was it. So I don't know how different this one's going to be. So yeah, let's go and let's get on it.
Right then, I've got some Nivea Invisible. Well, this is a woman's one, so yeah, Nivea Invisible, because I get sweaty on long drives, so that'll keep me sustained. Right then, my brother's just pulled up. He had some bird poo on his car, so we just rinsed it off. What do you use? Is it ceramic boots or ceramic? The snow foam. Right then, let's get in the Megane and let's get a monster and then let's get it mapped. Let's go. Right then, we're on our way. So yeah, my brother has got, how many meals you got with you today?
About 4 protein shakes and some snacks.
Absolute animal. So yeah, I've got nothing because I'm a skin and bone. Yeah, so let's go to the shop and then let's go. Right then, so that's us. Hour 59 minutes all the way down the motorway. Boom. But on the way back, we might cut through. If it's rapid, we might cut through the Peak District and that. So yeah, hour 59 minutes. Can a monster. Let's go. Well then, so we're about an hour in, we've got like 40 minutes left. I've been doing 70 on the motorway and it's showing that we're doing 38.6 miles per gallon. So if anyone wants to know about MPG, that's what you're roughly getting on the motorway. But when people go, oh, what MPG are you getting? I don't really say. I bought a hot hatch to have fun in it, so I couldn't say. But on the motorway, we seem to be doing alright. So I can see the needle going down slowly, but yeah, that's what it is, 37. Well then, mate, what is going on with it? How dark this is? We have arrived at Rstuning. Just getting the car ready. We're gonna stick it on and then just speak to him and see what power we're gonna get and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's go. So we're all like connected up, so we're going to check see if the engine is running okay, like a health run, just to see what power it's making standard. All strapped in. Let's go. Right, so we've done like two runs. We're running 250.3. Reckon it had a misfire, so we're gonna gap the plugs potentially because that could be what it is. Yeah, apparently it's running rich, so we're gonna have a tinker about with it and see what we're running. But I've been having races with like 300 brake and stuff like that, and they've only just been pulling away from me. So either they ain't getting 300 brake or that's lying. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Right, so we had a misfire and he just told me the plugs are basically just like, would you say they've basically been dropped in there?
I've not used a ratchet to undo these, have I, sir?
So
you've not crushed the compression ring. You can see where it's...
show us that.
See how it's all black round it?
Yeah. Yeah, right, they're going to screw at me for that, you know. They're going to go, you silly knobhead. I did, man. I thought not too tight. I've heard that you can do it up too tight and then like cause damage.
Yeah, but there's too tight and there's not tight. No, you've not crushed at all.
Could it not because of how fast I've gone round corners with like loose and lock on it?
Nah.
I can't even blame anyone because it's only me that's done it. Yeah, I'll take that. Right then, so we got a little issue. We have actually got a boost leak. He's put the 275 software on it, and it's med 280 brake, but he reckons it's leaking boost from somewhere. I'm going with the cooler, so hopefully it's somewhat minor, but we shall see.
How many hours does this?
This is watch. Just look. I'm guessing like down there somewhere.
It's pissing out. It's definitely pissing out.
Is it really?
It's not even attempting to make any pressure whatsoever. So wait for smoke, you'll see it soon. On that side, is it?
Front intercooler.
Telling you, it's that pipe. It's gonna be.
There's nothing you can do with that pipe there.
Probably fucking buy a new one. So.
Complete bit.
Yeah, so basically if you've watched this from the beginning, when I fitted my intercooler I snapped these off and then binned them, and that is where the issue is. Basically this one and potentially, well, we don't know until it's fitted, but potentially
I think that one's probably going to have a seal in it outside.
Yeah, so that
There's
could
your
be a
seal.
git as well. Right, so basically it was we put the map on, and then we noticed a massive boost leak. Soon as he said it, I was literally like, I know what it is, I know what it is. If you watch my intercooler video, you know that the pipes didn't go on correctly when we did it, so I tried to like bodge it and try and crimp it up and put like a Jubilee clip over it to secure it into place, but unfortunately that killed us today. So he flashed a map on it. He said it should theoretically run 300 minimum, 325. He said it's a healthy engine. He said he couldn't believe it ran 285 with that boost leak. He said it was literally no pressure was even going in the boost tester. He said it was literally coming straight out. So that killed us today, unfortunately. But he did say it's theoretically mapped. It's on a mapped set on ECU now. So soon as I sort them boost pipes out, it should literally run like a dream. He did say you could come up, give it and check it on the dyno, and he'll do little tweaks to it. He said, but this is probably like what you're gonna get. You might be able to improve it and that by sticking it on the dyno, so that's probably something we'll probably do in the future. I'm not too sure, but for now we've literally got to find some boost pipes and just proper seal it, because it does drive amazing. Like I'm only getting like 50% of it at the minute, I think. So it does pull, but you can tell that it's like losing boost. So he said it's only running, I think, 1 bar, 1.2 bar, and it runs to 1.5. So I don't know. I'm not too mad about bar and all that kind of boost pressure and stuff, but all I know is it's fast, but it's got a massive boost leak. So when the boost leak's sorted, it's going to be an animal. I did want to do like a first drive video with you, but obviously with these issues it's not worth it. So as soon as I sort the boost leak out, my first actual drive will be videoed, so I'll actually show you my first drive of it mapped. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Rstuning, legend. We all have problems. He tried to do his best to fix it, but obviously I need new parts and he didn't have any to hand. So thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.